Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is a CHOFILORD progressive multifocus reading glasses. I really love these reading glasses. I love the fact that they are not heavy on my nose bridge. They're truly oversized, but not overtaking my face frame. I really like that. And the lenses are made with a high-grade resin material and several anti-blue light coating for protection. It almost filters 97 of harmful UV rays with blue light filter, anti-reflective, accurate magnification, and a relief glare of eye strain from digital time. The progressive multifocus helps me a lot whenever I'm reading. My eyes get tired and I need to keep working, and I'm looking down and there is the augmentation, but I need to look up and I need to see at the distance. And this is what it gives me, the progressive multifocal. So that's why I'm in love with these glasses. And that's my point of view.